How's it going, guys? This is Nathan here from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I'm doing a service on this ultimate camper trailer here. I've just brought you here to discuss gas struts. Now, if you guys have a camper trailer or even a normal caravan for that matter, and you guys have got gas struts in and around the van, you definitely want to make sure that they're properly gassed up. We can take care of that for you down here at AllBrand. We have a outsourced client that will do the gas strut repairs for us. So guys, there are ways to tell if your gas struts are looking like they need to be replaced. You can see small rust indentations in the shaft down there as well. Not so much up here, but you will see it start to form on the silver area of your gas strut. So you can inspect them yourselves, or also say you've got gas struts under the bed. If you lift the bed up and the bed's dropped straight back down, that means the gas struts do not have enough gas in them to hold the weight of the bed. We can repair that for you down here at AllBrand if it's getting annoying and it's becoming a bit of a habit or an issue. So come on down, come and see us at AllBrand, or you can drop a comment below in the comment section and we can look at what we can do for you. Thank you guys, have a good day.